Hey, hello everyone. This is Shahrukh Karobarwala. In this course, I will guide you how to be an effective research assistant. In this course, you will learn how to be an effective research assistant, and by doing this course, you will be able to do a remote job at our platform, that is www.100dollarintern.com. This course eligibles you to do an $100 intern job. In this course, I will guide you how to be an effective research assistant. Thank you. Okay guys, as you sort all your data and convert into an information, now it's time to write a script. What is script writing? Script writing is just like an ad. After you got all the information, you just write a script like an ad and summarize all the hours of research into a 10-minute script. That will be like 2 or 3 pages. Sort information again and again and concise your information to a 10 minutes video script. That's the format of the script. Hey everyone, what is a research assistant? A research assistant job is to do research on a particular topic or a thing and summarize all the research to a certain time frame video that will be of around 10 minutes. So in short, you can say, if you get a topic from your employer, do research on it and write down the script and then perform a video and make a video of 10 minutes by explaining all the research of hours into a 10-minute video. Thank you. The first step for doing a research assistant job is to get a topic or data from the employer. For instance, if the employer gave you a topic to do a research on business of Apple, so you have many mediums how you can collect the data from your employer, like WhatsApp, WeChat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, any medium, Messenger, any medium which provide a communication between an employer or a employee. That's all are the communication tools which you can use to get data from your employer or a topic from your employer. Or you can have a Zoom meeting with your employer so he can guide you how to do research on a particular subject or a topic. These are some tools which can be used easily for getting a data from your employer. Okay, as you finalize the script, now it's time to do proofreading. What is proofreading? Proofreading is to read your script once again and find the errors in it. You can do it yourself or you can do someone else to do this job. It is better to give someone else to read it as a proofreading, so someone can else point out your mistakes and it will be better for you. As you're done with the proofreading, now your script is totally ready to perform a video. In the next video, we will learn how to make a video. Thank you. Okay, after the proofreading, you can done by yourself or someone else can do proofreading for you. After your document or the script is ready for after proofreading, now it's time to make the video. Just open your mobile camera, front camera, put a mobile in front of you and say what you have written in the script. Don't use the paper, don't act like you are reading something, just explain the video in your own words. Like You are explaining like a small kid what to do. Your employer may be a literate person or a school dropout. Either both the cases, your explanation will be too good like to explain someone else. This is how you can make the video. Video length would be like around 10 minutes of 4 or 5 hour research. Concise your 5 hour research or 4 hour research into a 10 minutes video. The employer wants a 10-minute video from you to understand the topic which he gave you. This is how you can make the video. Thank you. Okay, we came to the conclusion now. So in this course, we have learned like how to collect the data from the employer, then how to search, do brainstorming, search on internet, gather the information, sort the information, compile the information into a script, then do the video, record the video of 10 minutes of whole your hours of research, then send it to the employer. This is how you can do the proper work as a research assistant. I hope you understand the course, and if you find any difficulty and didn't understand anything, you can comment me and ask me. And the surprise is, after completing this course, you will get a certificate of it. Secondly, you are eligible to apply in www.100dollarintern.com as a research assistant.